2025 property market predictions for buy-to-let investors. Now, here at TitleSplit.com, we have been looking very closely at exactly what's going to happen in 2025. So here's the thing, interest rates will probably fall further and prices will rise. So like and subscribe if you want to hear more about this as we tell you the predictions for 2025. Now, here we are, the property prices are set to continue rising. So property is still an amazing asset class for investors. Savills have predicted that 4% price rise in 2025 and 23.4% in the next 5 years. It's an amazing time to grow a property portfolio, particularly if you secure residential property assets which will grow in line with capital growth. The buy-to-let market could remain subdued unless investors switch to strategies where they access capital growth and what we call good old bricks and mortar valuations. Yes, you heard it here. You need bricks and mortar valuations. These are valuations when compared in the local market, say a half-mile radius, and we're comparing them to other similar properties. Interest rate predictions. The Bank of England cut interest rates from 5% to 4.75% in November 2024. It is difficult to predict whether they will continue to fall, as it is very dependent on inflation being below 2%. It was 2.3% in November 2024. Commercial interest rates remain at around 2% higher for buy-to-let investors versus buy-to-let interest rates. Using this example, a 5-year fixed-rate mortgage on a commercial property, a 6-bed HMO, a buy-to-let bricks and mortar mortgage would cost £50,000 less in interest payments than a semi-commercial mortgage. To show you how the example works, 500,000 borrowed at 7.5%, a commercial interest rate, per annum is 187,500 in mortgage payments over 5 years. If we borrowed the same 500,000 on a buy-to-let mortgage on the same property at 5.5% interest per annum over 5 years, this would be 137,500. It's £50,000 less in mortgage payments. It is huge. The most popular strategy for 2025 is really important because people will be buying and splitting blocks of apartments and mixed-use properties. Why? Because there's massive capital uptick in it. In fact, 25 to 35% additional capital value by buying those blocks and splitting them. Recently, Shawbrook said that they had seen a 14% uptick in mortgages for these apartment blocks in 2024. And with hundreds of thousands of apartment blocks being owned by exiting landlord, this is a really good opportunity to lift your capital in your portfolio. So to get started splitting blocks, please visit us at TitleSplit.com. That's www.TitleSplit.com, and like and subscribe to get more YouTube videos.